Title: Dystopia, a real story. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into a story that blurs the lines between fiction and reality. A story where society crumbles, freedoms are stripped away, and humanity faces its darkest days. This is the real-life dystopia. Throughout history, we've seen glimpses of dystopian societies, moments where the world seemed to tip over the edge. From totalitarian regimes to apocalyptic disasters, these events paint a grim picture of what our future could hold. One of the most notable examples is the totalitarian regime of North Korea. Under the rule of the Kim dynasty, the citizens of North Korea live under constant surveillance and extreme censorship. Personal freedoms are virtually non-existent, and the government controls every aspect of life. The level of control in North Korea is unparalleled. The government uses fear and propaganda to maintain its grip on power, creating an atmosphere where dissent is not only discouraged but brutally punished. Another form of dystopia can be seen in environmental disasters. Consider the Chernobyl disaster in 1986. The explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant released massive amounts of radiation, leading to long-term health issues and the creation of an exclusion zone that remains uninhabitable to this day. We were evacuated from our homes and told we'd return in a few days. That was over 30 years ago. Our lives changed forever. Fast forward to today, and we face new environmental challenges. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation threaten to create a new dystopia, one where resources are scarce, and the natural world is irrevocably damaged. If we don't take immediate action, the effects of climate change will be catastrophic. We are already seeing extreme weather events and rising sea levels. The time to act is now. Technology, while a force for good, also has a darker side. Surveillance technology has advanced to the point where privacy is becoming a thing of the past. Governments and corporations can track our every move, raising concerns about how this data could be used against us. The potential for misuse of surveillance data is huge. We are heading towards a future where our every action is monitored and recorded, with serious implications for personal freedom and democracy. Social unrest is another hallmark of dystopian societies. Economic inequality, racial tensions, and political corruption can all lead to mass protests and civil unrest. These events can quickly spiral out of control, leading to chaos and violence. When people feel disenfranchised and powerless, they take to the streets. What starts as peaceful protest can often escalate into violence, as we've seen in many parts of the world. Despite these bleak scenarios, there is always hope. People around the world are fighting for a better future, whether it's through activism, innovation, or simply standing up for what's right. The resilience of the human spirit is our greatest weapon against dystopia. Remember, while dystopian scenarios are a reality for many, our actions today can prevent a darker tomorrow. Let's work together to build a world where freedom, equality, and justice prevail. If you found this video insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching.